What's up, guys? So it is 5 a.m. Erin is here. What? And Millie, of course. And we are about to head to Windy Gap hike in the Angeles National Forest. I told you guys last week I made a new Instagram friend, Michael Wiggle, and he's gonna take us hiking in the mountains. So, woo-hoo. Small change of plans. Apparently, there's two different ways to get here. So I think we're almost to the trail. We might not be. We might not even be close. But I definitely think we're gonna miss Michael. So we're gonna try. We may pass him on the trail. Either way, we are definitely gonna go for a hike.
Yes.
Come here. Oh, you're so cute. How you doing? Right? Doing nice.
Super.
This is where I walk backwards and
We're not out of breath at all.
fall off the mountain. Oh my goodness. I'm so out of breath going up these hills. Can I blame the elevation? What do you think? Oh. Well, this looks slightly deathly. Good girl, Millie. Okay. You don't want to fall down there. It's a giant tree. Minor obstacle. Hello! Look what we found! I can finally finish this one.
It's become really popular in China because it looks like a lotus flower.
That's pretty fun. Billy, come on. Hey, come on. What are you doing? So I made it to the top of Mount Islip, which I'm super pumped about because when I first moved to LA, it was my very first mountain hike. I was very dumb about it. I went alone, didn't tell anybody, didn't really know the area, and I hit the snow line and some sketchy parts and had to turn around. So I finally made it to the top. I feel like I've officially made a summit when there's Summit Journal. That's so cool. You don't find that at Griffith Park. Greatest journal entry. That's something I would do. So we just finished, and between the Windy Gap Trail and then the extra trail we did up to the top of Mount Islip, it was about 6.6 miles. So definitely a good hike and a great way to start the week.